But the big build has produced a casualty.
You're not, are you? No, come on.
Come on, Georgie.
Oh, come on.
This morning, there was a very big scenario.
What's happened?
I think my finger's infected. I was demoing the other day and I got a splinter, but I tried to man it out, and I woke up this morning, I couldn't close my finger.
What happened?
I had a splinter, it's getting infected.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know what you need to put on that?
Windex. So you got any?
Not the best medical advice. Best to take yourself off to the medical centre, George, conveniently located across the road.
I was very nervous at first. I don't like doctors at all.
1 hour later.
How was your shot?
Oh, that was terrible. It was very painful. It was infected, but he found it. I'm a bit sore on the finger, but we're all right, we're still alive. That's the main thing.
And he's telling everyone about it.
You got me begging you for mercy.
Mate, it wasn't pretty. They got the splinter out luckily. It was about this big. It was about this big. It's about this wide, right? As big as a tree. They didn't put anaesthetic.
Okay.
It was poking all the pus.
Was it pus?
Yeah. Well, mate, they said I'm going to be scarred from here to my neck.
Yeah.
That's how big my splinter was.
There goes your hand modelling career, George.
Yeah. I don't know how you did lose your arm, to be honest.
I don't know, mate. And he gave me 3 jelly beans after I got a tetanus shot.
As long as you get jelly beans.
I was like, done. I'm going to get another one.
Oh, George, you killed me.
High five.
Sorry.
So when Shelley and Scotty walked in, I was also showing Scotty my battle scar.
Where's the scar? You got a bandage on it.
Actually, it was about this big, Scotty. The splinter was about that big.
Yes.
So, and apparently it's going to scar from here to my neck, but...
This splinter's grown and grown and
It
grown.
was huge, right?
George, 10 stitches there.
Oh,
8 stitches there where my finger came
We're not
off.
going to stand here and compare scars.
5 stitches there.
oh my God. Yeah, I tried to toughen it out, but I thought my finger had to be amputated, so I go, better go to the doctor.
Oh, that was great.